scheme. Members of the distinguished table, activity, UBC, and ladies and gentlemen, the distinguished guests all, good evening to you. I'm going to try to, and I just said my friend Albert, Verlyn Albert from GPL, ladies and gentlemen, CEO. I'm going to try to walk you through a story, if you want to call it that. Trying to understand, firstly, where Guyana is as a country with respect to its energy status. Trying to understand how we forecast and predict the future energy needs in various time scales, or time steps as some will call it. Trying to understand what the existing potential, much of which Mahender has spoken about in respect to energy sources are. Trying to understand too, which of those potentials can be realistically developed in a way that gives us the kind of energy system that makes us sufficiently robust to the potential external impacts of commodity prices. And as I use the term commodity because nowadays we're not just talking about oil, as well as make us a lot more resilient to potential impacts of climate change. Guyana may not be in the hurricane belt, but certainly sea level rise and flooding are issues that Guyana must contend with as it builds out its new energy future. Understanding within that context too, the opportunities for rural development, social advancement, and a lot of the economic potentials, including those that could be gained from the export, not just of oil and gas potentially, but also from renewable energy, including renewable energy from renewable electricity from such sources as hydro, which is under discussion even as we speak, and maybe other sources perhaps, including biomass, biomass produced fuels such as maybe biodiesel, etc. So it's really a myriad of options and range of facts that we need to consider within the context of Guyana. Where we are, one, we have an electricity system that is not the most modern, putting it mildly. Two, we have a system that includes generation that is largely dependent on the current state on imported fossil sources, means mostly oil-based sources, heavy fuel oil especially. We have a configuration for delivering the energy from the generation points to the demand centers that is not optimized. And that is something that results in a system that is not sufficiently reliable and secure. We have end-use scenarios that are not efficient and in many instances not suitably configured. On the transport side, we also have similar issues in the sense that there is even more dependence on oil-based sources for fuel. We have a marketing and distribution system that is very conventional, depends on, of course, fuel coming in, being bunkered in the coast, transported to the distribution stations, people come fill up, and they then use motor vehicles with internal combustion engines. And to date, we have not been able to secure data on the average age of the vehicles, despite much efforts to do so. But from a personal look on the roads, we could see and understand that the transport sector is not one of the more efficient end users of energy within Guyana. So, understanding that configuration means that in any planning, there has to be short-term goals that seeks to rectify some of the maladies in the existing system, even as we try to build the optimizations that are necessary for the kind of flexible, adaptable, diversified systems that would make us have lower energy costs, or maybe energy costs that are not necessarily lower, but more, if you want to call it, resilient to external price shocks from the commodities markets, and of course, much greater reliability in our systems. Renewable energy, ladies and gentlemen, is not an end to our means, but in itself. It's not an end in itself, sorry. Renewable energy is not an end in itself, but really a means towards attaining the kind of diversified economic and social systems with the kind of environmental stewardships that are necessary for a country that is pursuing a green state development strategy. Let's understand how it is that we are going to build our energy system going forward within the next 10 to 25 years, because we're talking about midterm and long-term planning, even while we revise those plans every 3 years so as to take account of technology changes. Mahender mentioned a lot about batteries, and some of you may have heard some of the discussions about batteries in recent times. And when I speak about commodities, I raise battery as a point in fact, because the issue of the commodity use within battery has now come to the fore. It is something that has been talked about for a while, but for the first time, we have seen where those who are producing the kind of precious metals that are necessary for battery manufacturing are now beginning to talk about holding end users to ransom, where they are beginning to start talking about catalyzing the production of lithium and other critical inputs into battery manufacturing. So the question of how much can be put into play in respect of batteries is always going to be limited, and I wanted to flag that point up front, because there are many who have come to the region, and that's why I put that point so squarely on top of everything else. Many have come to the region and say, oh, the solution to the Caribbean, given the small demand centers that we have, including Guyana, because even though we tend to think about the other Caribbean countries as islands because they are surrounded by water, the islanded case of Guyana we frequently forget, because what we have are populations surrounded by vast tracts of land. So there are islands on the land, not in the sea. And in that context, we hear these stories about microgrids with solar and batteries as the solution and the panacea for renewable energy integration within the Caribbean countries, within the context of the hinterlands of Guyana and so on. And the principle that batteries are going to be able to replace some of what is currently being generated by oil is something that we must understand in respect to how it is deployed, because it's not a panacea. It is going to play a role, as in, in the same way in which every other source has the potential to play a role. So going forward, the first priority is to understand, really, in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years, in the next 25 years, what are going to be your main economic drivers? That's number one. Next thing to understand is, what are the energy service requirements of those economic drivers? Is it heat? Is it cooling? Is it electricity? Is it fuel? What are these main energy services going to be? Not electricity necessarily, but really what are the energy services that are required from the energy? And understanding that, we then have to figure out exactly how it is that we plan the arrangements for integrating the most cost-effective source. Some solar in some instances will be necessary, some hydro may be required at the appropriate time, and of course, where it is that oil and gas options are available, those must also be considered. But that consideration must come with scientific assessments, with integrated planning, with stakeholder engagement in the planning process, and with an eye being given to the current state of the system so that we can continue to operate as reliably as possible, even while we build this the future system which we require. What does 100% renewable energy mean? We have heard the stories about 100% renewable energy. We need to talk about it because within the context of 100% reliability and renewable energy integration in a grid, there are going to be issues related to cost because 100% renewable energy is not cheap. There are going to be issues related to how it is that we can reliably manage 100% renewables. Because at the end of the day, the issue of 100% renewables is like anything else. The last mile is not easy. And so beginning to understand whether 100% renewables mean that we can operate on 100% most of the times with the understanding that we have redundancy elsewhere that can keep us going where required is something that we need to understand. So ladies and gentlemen, that's just the start of the conversation. And I look forward to the questions and discussions later because in the context of Guyana, CARICOM is working closely on both the supply side, on the demand side, to help with the system planning through what we call an integrated resource and resilience planning process that we will be undertaking over the next 2 years. And with an integrated utility service model that we are doing together with GPM, that will allow each and every one of you here to be able to improve the flexibility of the system by bringing in distributed generation facilities such as rooftop solar, home battery systems, and even purchase an electric car maybe through your electric utility. And that's a dream, yes, but we are working to make it happen in the next couple of years. So ladies and gentlemen, I stop.